If you need to cancel a pending transfer at Three Rivers Bank, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure you have your account information ready before you begin. Step 1. Log into your online banking. Access the Three Rivers Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. This will allow you to view your account details and pending transactions. Step 2. Navigate to the transfers section. Once logged in, locate the section for transfers or payments. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard of your online banking interface. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer and choose Cancel. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. Look for an option to cancel or delete the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation request. Step 5. Confirm cancellation and check status. After submitting your cancellation request, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your pending transactions again to ensure the transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting Three Rivers Bank customer service for further assistance.